There's a lot of brands out there in motorized blinds and shades. A lot of people recognize the brands Lutron or Hunter Douglas, and Somfy is a name out there that makes motors for window shades. Typically, we work with all Hunter Douglas products. Hunter Douglas typically is the most innovative when it comes to motorization. They develop beautiful, innovative shades, and they also develop their own motors and options. They've built their own app platform. They've built their own integrations with other companies that are out there that you could use with Crestron systems or Control4 systems or many other third-party motorization and control applications. But Hunter Douglas typically is going to be the most versatile. Rechargeable batteries, optional solar panels, many features like a top-down, bottom-up feature on a shade, dual light room darkening and semi-sheer shades, and the best ways to be able to utilize motorization. Yeah, I think if you're a homeowner and you're trying to utilize motorized shades, I think it's always good to be educated before you meet with somebody and ask a lot of questions. I think most importantly is going to be, how are you going to use the shade? Motorized shades aren't just as simple as being motorized or not motorized. They can be a simple push button remote. They can be something that is integrated into your control system, or they can be app controlled by your phone. So I think it's really important to work with somebody that understands how you're going to use your shades in your home, what your lifestyle looks like around your home, how we can work with your budget to make sure that we maximize the best type of shades for the decor, design, and the function that you're looking for. And I think you should also ask about warranty and reliability. I think there's a lot of products out there that come with very inexpensive motor options and some that come with very expensive motor options. But I think you should go out there and look at the track record of the products. Go on online forums, have people discuss what type of luck they have with particular brands or shades, who they work with. And then I think it's really important to look at an authorized dealer of those shades to be able to purchase from, because at the end of the day, the shade may have a good warranty, but your warranty is only as good as the dealer that you're working with.